You are about to get 3 opportunities of a lifetime. Hello, everybody. My name is Sanad, and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. When I was young and broke, I would turn on the TV and I would see these millionaires, these billionaires with their businesses, their fancy cars, and their money. And I would think to myself, if only they would give me an opportunity, I would definitely work the hardest I have ever worked before, and I would definitely make as much money as possible. But once I got older, I realized that opportunity was everywhere. When I was young, I couldn't even see the opportunity. But now I see opportunities everywhere. And I personally believe that we are about to get 3 opportunities that could potentially change our lives and make us millions and millions of dollars. As you guys know, over the last couple of months, everyone has been talking about the recession, inflation, Bitcoin going to zero, the stock market crashing, the real estate bubble getting ready to pop. And it's negative news after negative news after negative news. And a lot of people, a lot of investors are afraid. They do not want to lose their money. They do not want to go broke. So everyone is selling, they're fleeing, they're pretty much keeping their cash under their pillows. Everyone is very, very afraid. But in my opinion, that presents an opportunity of a lifetime. Back in 2008, when the real estate bubble burst and the entire real estate market crashed, houses dropped from $100,000 to $40,000. A lot of people got evicted. A lot of people lost their homes. A lot of people went into foreclosure, and properties were selling at major discounts. At that time, everyone was afraid. Nobody was buying homes. Nobody was investing in real estate. Everyone was afraid. Everyone saw the real estate bubble burst and everything go down big time. But being a young person that I was like, yo, let me buy my first property. And I am so happy that I did. After that property, I bought another one and another one. And pretty much every year after, I kept on adding to my portfolio. Come to realize it, I was buying the bottom, and I'm super glad I did. But at that time, there was so much fear in the markets that the everyday people were simply afraid to buy because of the crash. The market has already crashed and people were still not buying. Then 5-10 years later, the real estate market hit an all-time high. And the properties that I paid $50,000 for are now selling for $200,000. And I have literally a ton of equity. So the point of this quick story is that I was buying when the market crashed. When everyone else was afraid, when everyone was screaming recession, it is the end of real estate, I was buying. And that turned out to be the perfect time to buy real estate. The reason why I'm telling you the story is because I believe we are about to get those same opportunities. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of crypto, and I believe crypto is here to stay, and it will definitely change the future forever. Right now, Bitcoin is around 20,000. Ethereum is around $1,000. Like 7-8 months ago, Bitcoin was over 65. Ethereum was over $4,800. Right now, we are about to get an opportunity of a lifetime to invest in crypto. Yeah, Bitcoin can go lower, Ethereum can go lower, all the altcoins can lose another 50%. I also believe we are going to hit the bottom this year, probably this summer or this fall. And that, in my opinion, will be the time to start stacking up on as much crypto as you possibly can. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Ethereum is not going anywhere. Prices could drop lower, but in my opinion, that will be the time to invest in crypto. As you guys know, 90% of people that were investing in crypto last year are gone. They pretty much sold, took a loss, and they left the space. Also, all the news channels are predicting a crypto crash. They're saying crypto is going to zero, that it is a big Ponzi, that Bitcoin is going to zero, all of this stuff. When there's extreme fear, when everyone is doubting the entire space, that is the sign that we are getting close to the bottom and close to that life-changing opportunity to buy some crypto. And personally, I will be buying as much as I possibly can. Also, the same goes for the stock market. Over the last 6 months, the entire stock market has been trending lower, and a lot of amazing companies are down between 20 and 50%. But I personally believe that crypto will be the first opportunity and then stocks. So what I'll be doing personally is first I'll be buying the dips on crypto. And then once the stock market heads even lower, I will start accumulating even more stocks. Max out your 401ks, max out your Roth IRAs. Also, if you like crypto, check out the first link in the description box below. I Trust Capital will allow you to open up your first crypto Roth IRA where you can invest in crypto tax-free. And the third opportunity will be real estate. Right now, the prices have peaked and there are signs that prices are about to head lower. So once the real estate bubble bursts, there's going to be amazing opportunities everywhere. So if you have made a lot of money last year investing in crypto or in the stock market, and now you are looking to buy your first rental property, buy your first Airbnb, or your first home, the time is getting close. The real estate bubble, in my opinion, is just about to pop. We have already seen crypto take a major dip, the stock market is following, and real estate is next. Also, Jerome Powell made an announcement a couple days ago that first-time home buyers should wait for the prices to reset. That, in my opinion, is a clear indication that prices of real estate have peaked and that we should have a correction. When the feds are warning you, take note because the crash is coming. So guys, those three, in my opinion, are going to present you with life-changing opportunities. Crypto, stocks, and real estate. We're about to see some of the lowest lows that we have ever seen before. And in my opinion, those will be the perfect times to buy. This is a long-term game. Do not expect to become a millionaire overnight. It all takes time. It took me over 6 years to become a real estate millionaire and retire off of the passive income that my rental properties provide. So guys, stick with what you are doing. If you are investing in crypto right now, stick with crypto. Do not just leave because it's the bear market and everything is crashing. Also, the stock market and real estate. Stick with it for 2 cycles, one bear market and one bull market, and chances are you are going to make that life-changing money. One piece of advice that I can give you is stack up on as much cash as you possibly can and do not be afraid to invest. Even when everyone else is running for the hills and they're screaming recession, they're screaming Bitcoin to zero, do not let your fear and emotions stop you from investing. Obviously, make sure to do your own research before you invest in any project, any stock, any rental property, or whatever you are investing in. Once your research is done, do not be afraid to take action and put some money to work. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick little video. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free stocks, some free crypto, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And see you in the next video. Peace out.